Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. In this video, I'm going to share with you a couple of packages that I have received in mail, and that would be 2 oils of the month from Plant Therapy and also a package from AnnMarie skincare. So I will just start with the Plant Therapy. So this was the oil of the month. Let's see what it is. It's the Pink Berry CO2. I believe it's some kind of synergy here, and it's actually some fruit extract of, I believe I will never be able to pronounce that. Oh, by the way, country of origin is France. That's really interesting and exciting, I would say. So let's just see. It helps to calm occasional digestive upset. Oh, that's really good, because everybody has that sometimes, right? And it's good for the strenuous workout. And I really want to know how that smells. It's actually supposed to be fruity, as the description mentioned. So this is the oil, Pink Berry CO2. Of course, if you want me to share with you the full information on it and my experience, maybe some recipes, I'll be just more than happy to do so. So we got that, and the previous package I have received, it was very interesting. They had a very funny sticker. I love Plant Therapy, the coupon, and just look at that. The wood box with 3, no way, seriously? With 3 different oils? I don't know about you guys, but I'm in love with all kind of different wooden boxes and things like this. By the way, citrus oils are one of my favorites. So this is the lemon, and they have the orange, and they have the mandarin. Actually, of course, I have orange and lemon in my collection already, but you never really have enough, trust me. And mandarin is something I wanted to get, and the country of origin is Brazil. For all of them except for the lemon one. If you want me, I can make a video about citrus essential oils in general, or of course separately on each of the oils. I would be again more than happy to do so. But how cool is the box, right? You could just really make a nice gift to somebody. Alright, so we're done with Plant Therapy here. Now I'm moving on to the next package. So this is from AnnMarie. If you're watching my videos, you already know that our skin is the largest organ, and we do need to be very careful with everything we're putting on it. So in this video, I got the anti-aging serum and also a couple of other things, and I believe they gave me a couple of gifts, I would say. So they gave me the bag with lavender. Well, that's really nice, although it's not really too much lavender in here, but it would be enough, you know, if you want to put it in a nice face steam bath, I would say, or maybe just in some skincare recipe, but that's great. Let alone it makes everything smell so nice. So we got that. We got a little brochure with saying how good their stuff is, you know, beautiful other things. Let's get to the point I wanted to say, but I ruined everything, obviously. So I think they also sell some kind of supplements over there. So this is the Organic Gold Drink Mix Sample, which is with turmeric and mushrooms, basically something like superfood tea. Okay, we'll try that, thank you. And that is, oh, they're really packing everything in these boxes. So that's glowing skin is always in. That's promising, right? And AnnMarie Skincare is the natural skincare brand out there. It's not really cheap at all. It's not cheap for me, I would say. So they were supposed to give me a 3-step trial set to restore the skin, and also the anti-aging serum travel size. Right, so it's better like this. So that's a neroli toning mist, and you're supposed to use it, you know, after cleansing your face and neck, and then, you know, pretty much just mist it all over your face. It's like a toner. That's one thing I've got here. The next thing is the aloe vera herb cleanser. It's a travel size, so everything is really small, but I'm pretty sure it's enough, you know, for anyone to try. So you're supposed to cleanse your face with it. And this is the anti-aging facial oil, and actually for the facial oil, that's not really a small bottle because the oil really little goes a long way, and you're supposed to use it only AM and PM. By the way, if you're into like Rejuve Minerals skincare like I'm using, they have a lot of powders. It's really beneficial to apply oil on your face before applying any powders. And guys, I found it, the anti-aging serum travel size, right? So that's, again, should be enough, you know, for one to understand if the skin loves it or not. So you're supposed to apply it before applying moisturizer. So you know, actually older bottles are glass, amber glass, you know, like exactly the way you would make your own DIY skincare. So I got these 4 products. It was a promotion, but normally if you want to buy full-size products, I mean, in my opinion, they are expensive, and I don't really have a lot of maybe like coupons and some things you could save on. But as that's actually the reason, guys, I'm making tons of DIY recipes, because I know that the skincare, the natural skincare out there you can buy is very expensive. So sometimes instead of just buying crazy expensive toner, you could make your own. And of course, I should look into all the ingredients. Maybe I would just make something very close to it, so you could give it a try. Again, if you have any questions with my experience, I don't have experience yet, but pretty much soon, maybe a week or so, I will absolutely know how my skin feels after using this. I hope you guys like this video. I actually love sharing with you guys what I am receiving in packages, so you could have a full idea of what I'm using for my face, what I'm using in my house. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy and healthy, and I will see you in my next video.